This is my Artec AC/DC TIG welder.
Is it a long way to the top when you want to rock and roll?
It's a long way to the top when you want to rock and roll. Yeah.
Angle's got to be facing up. This bloody mask. Oh, come on. This is not right.
This is going to be absolutely brilliant. I'm not particularly good at welding. I do a bit of stick welding and it looks like a flock of starlings came over and pooed all over my metalwork. The great news today, we have Dr. Jason Andrews and we're in his shop.
And then we'll get you on the MIG welder.
On the MIG welder, okay.
And then once your eyes are buzzing, we'll get you on the TIG welder.
Oh, that sounds absolutely magnificent. What have we got here, Jason?
Well, this is Terry. Terry. This is Terry.
Yeah.
This is an AC/DC TIG welder.
It's a long way. All right, so it's an AC/DC. My favourite band, TIG welder.
Yeah. She'll weld mild steel, stainless steel, and on the AC settings you'll weld aluminium. To start you off, we're going to get you on a bit of mild steel and see what your hand-eye coordination's like.
Okay.
And foot.
So tell us a little bit about this lance then.
Torch.
Right. So we've got an electrode on the top of it then.
That's
and
tungsten.
That's tungsten electrode, and then there's a ceramic.
Yep. That's a stubby gas lens kit.
Okay, and that guides the. Is it the same mix of gas?
No,
nitrogen?
pure argon.
Pure argon. Right. Okay.
So this particular lens will it gives you a better flow of gas.
Okay.
Okay. Over a conventional one, which is. There's a lot more turbulence with a conventional.
Okay, yeah. So there's a lot of detail in that. Okay, yeah.
So I've kept this as small as I can. So I do quite a bit of pipe work, and so I'm inside a pipe.
Right. So you can get inside there. Small. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
There's fundamentally two different sorts of torch. You've got air-cooled and water-cooled.
Okay.
Okay, this is a water-cooled torch.
Really?
Yeah.
You've got water cooling going on in here as well?
Yeah, there's a water cooler down there.
Yeah, so water, gas and electricity in the torch, not in the lance, in the torch. It was quite funny, we had a moment earlier, his mate Lance called him on the telephone.
Yeah, as I was going to say, this isn't a Lance. Lance is 5'2" and...
Anyway, so let's have a quick talk about the setup that you've got here then. Okay. You've got a foot pedal on the floor. Yeah.
Which is better than having it in the air or on the wall, because then you can't, it's different. I've got far more control with the foot pedal.
Yeah.
I pretty much turn my amperage up on the machine, and I've got full range on that.
Right, on the foot pedal. And then what's this, mate?
That is a prop, a steady.
A steady Eddie.
A steady Eddie.
And so you use that then to lean on.
That's it.
So you've got
I prop
steady
myself on
hands,
there.
you prop yourself up on it, and you can set it to any height, and you can put it where you want to put it, and all that kind of good stuff. And that gives you much more control.
It's particularly useful if I'm welding flanges, though I haven't got a positioner here at the moment. There's a turntable basically. When I'm doing work on the positioner, I can just keep my hand in one place, control for the foot, and up the feed rod.
Brilliant.
I just, no movement, it's fine.
Brilliant.
And it gives
Okay.
you consistent welds over many pieces.
Let's have a go, mate.
Come on, let's
see
do
what
it.
we can do. Yeah, I'm stoked. Again, I have never TIG welded in my life.
Right.
So this is going to be a very interesting experience because you've got to heat the part up, and then you've with the tip, and then you've got to feed in once the part's at the right temperature. You've then got to feed in a little bit of the brazing rod. Is it a brazing rod?
No. And that's basically your basic rod for welding your mild steel. I could tell you what they are, exactly what they are, but I haven't got my glasses on and I just cannot read that, and I'm going to say the wrong thing. So.
That's straight back, mate. I can't read that either. All right, let's have a go then. So this is the electrode. Maybe you can tungsten electrode there, and that's then put inside
The torch.
the torch.
Yeah, the torch fits into a collet and then we tighten it up.
Okay. And that's what the sparks come out of. The lightning comes out of that. Yeah. Okay.
So we pop that back in there.
Yeah.
That was great, yeah. Great, thank you.
That's my very first TIG weld. That, mate, I'm dead happy. Thank you very much. That's an absolute experience, that is.